Hi there. I'm going to open up this Misfit market. We've been getting these for a few weeks. And if you don't know what it is, I'll give you a very brief intro, but you probably are here because you know what it is. So basically, these are fruits and vegetables that do not meet the standard of beauty in the supermarket. So the whole idea is because they were going to get pitched anyways, you can get them cheaper, and then, you know, the food's just as good, but it's not as pretty. So, so like I said, I think this is like the 6th or 7th shipping we've got. They always come in these kind of packs. They're a little bit different. If it's very hot days, they come with these little ice packs, and there's just water in here, and you can just pour this down. Well, it's not just water, but you can pour that down the sink because it says on the side. So let's just see what we got here. Okay, we got some spinach, and you can kind of see it's a little, just a tad slimy, not too bad. So let me go ahead and I brought my scale here. I'm going to weigh all this so we can get a sense for how much you get with your order. So this box is about 20 bucks. Maybe it's 23 with shipping. So that's 8 ounces of spinach. We got maybe some like romaine type lettuce there. 14 ounces of that. They also have these little bags, little biodegradable bags here. And let's see what we got in here. Looks to be mangoes. Oh, those are pears, rather. Okay, so 4 pears. Let's see how much these bad boys weigh. Alright, so the pear is about 22 ounces worth of pears. Next, we got artichoke. Let's see, there's 2 artichokes in here. So, my initial thought, I really loved the idea, the concept. Then I realized that picking out the foods that I cook with on a weekly basis is quite nice. Okay, 14 ounces of artichoke. So, you don't get to select. Oh, wait, okay, we've got 2 more artichokes. Okay, so another 10, 11 ounces. Now, ordinarily, I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to get 2 pounds of artichokes. But that's what I got today. That looks like maybe a turnip. Okay, so a pound of that. So this is part of the mystique and the pros and the cons, right? So you get to try new stuff, figure out what this is, but it's also less predictable. So if you like predictability, this is not for you. If you're okay with a little adventure, then you know, you'd be way more apt to be okay with this. So here's a couple green peppers. Open these up. I can feel their. See that would never go in a supermarket ever. Now this one, yeah, I mean, okay, that's a little dent in, but generally speaking, those are perfectly fine. Okay, so 12 ounces of green peppers. We got some squash. They seem to be this seems to be a very steady, consistent plant that we get. Okay, so 15 ounces of squash. Big old cucumber in there. Oh, by the way, all this stuff's organic. So, you know, if you want to compare prices, I'm guessing that's a cucumber, English cucumber, something like that. 17 ounces of that. We got mushrooms. Let's see. So you can see, like, you know, that would never go to a supermarket, but it's probably still good, right? So I'll weigh these. That's 10 ounces of mushrooms. And we've got 2 ears of corn. $26 ounces of corn. And there's the mango. They have really, really good mangoes. And that one weighs 12 ounces. So there you have it. I'll put a link in the description below to if you're interested in purchasing these. I personally am not going to continue using this. One, I don't think it's a tremendous value. I think you get it a lot cheaper. I shouldn't say a lot. You get it a little bit cheaper than the supermarket, but I do not think, for me, as far as my sense of adventure and how much predictability I like week to week, it's just not a great fit. So it's generally about 26 bucks worth of produce if I were to go buy to my local supermarket versus say $22, $23 to buy from the Misfits market. So I'm saving a few dollars. It is nice to have it delivered to my house. That is, a certain convenience that you're paying for. But generally speaking, I think the value is decent. Now, as far as the food lasts just as long as if you were to buy it from any of your local supermarkets. So that's good. The flavor's always good. They always seem as fresh as the supermarket. So you're not really getting an inferior quality product, but visually it's not as aesthetic. But all in all, pretty good. I just don't have a tremendous value. And again, I like the predictability from week to week. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Take care.